Welcome to part 15 of the 1000 verb challenge. Let's get started. Join. Join. I want to join the soccer team next week. Wish. Wish. I wish I could have a puppy for my birthday. Express. Express. I can express my feelings by writing in my journal. Influence. Influence. Good friends can influence each other in positive ways. Perform. Perform. She will perform a dance at the school show. Control. Control. I need to control my excitement when I win a game. Plan. Plan. We plan to visit our grandparents next weekend. Create. Create. I like to create stories with my toys. Manage. Manage. She can manage her homework and playtime easily. Protect. Protect. We should protect the trees in the park. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more in